That ibang note na yan.
Yung ketone.
Ketone?
I swear by the moon.
You know how much I love you, baby.
You love me forever.
I love you forever, never, never.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Anak ni Katrina Halili na si Katie, muling nakasama ang kanyang tatay na si Chris Lawrence. Galing sa Japan si Chris dahil may naging trabaho siya doon, at pagka-uwi ay talagang priority nito ang kanyang anak na bilhan ng regalo. Kita naman ang kasiyahan ni Katie, dahil sa pagiging thoughtful ng kanyang tatay.
Okay. Pasalubong from Japan. I hope you like it. Remember how you always said you wanted a pink bag? I got you a pink bag. And then I got these. I got you these. This is panglinis sa mga braces mo. So, iba-ibang size. May manipis, may makapal, and different toothbrushes for your braces. Okay?
You know how much I love you, baby.
You love me forever.
I love you forever, never, never.
Sing. I swear, I swear.
I swear by the moon.
No, slow.
Papa, say
Slow
the
lang.
kilikili.
Slow lang first.
I
swear, I swear, I swear. Yeah, again. Swear. Ang galing. High five.
Papa, say the kilikili.
I That ibang note na yan.
Yung ketone.
Ketone?
I swear by the moonlight and stars
And the skies and the sky like a shadow that's by your kilikili.